Hi there, I'm Mark Hastings, and if you don't already know me, I'm a poet, a writer, an author, and I wanted to introduce you to this place. And this is very close to where I live, where I've lived for most of my life, and where I am is where poetry began for me, where I started soaking in the inspiration of nature and understanding what the poetry of nature was. And this place, these fields where I've walked many times over the years, is somewhere where I have found great inspiration from nature, and where I've found inspiration from deep within me, and it means a lot to me. And nature is so important to every form of life on earth. It's very important to a writer, very important to a poet, especially me. And I can honestly say that if I had not been exposed to nature as I have been over the years, I would never have been the poet, and I would not be the poet that I am now. And yeah, I just wanted to introduce you to this place. And this village where I am walking now is called Meriden, and it's purported to be the centre of England, but to me it will always be the centre of poetry, at least my poetry, the source of where my poetry began, where it sprouted from, and where I will always be drawn back to, no matter where I go, no matter what I do, because this place has imbued me with so much inspiration, and it's a gift, just as life itself is. And walking, around these surroundings through nature reminds me every time how important life is, and how important people are, and how important our connection to the world and to nature is. Because without nature we are nothing. Nature was here before us, and it will be here long after all of us have long since passed. But just as nature changes, so must we change, and that's just the great journey of life, the great tale of life. And we, humanity, are just authors that add our verse, our chapter to the story of life and to nature itself. And in the end, it will be nature that will give the ultimate answer to why we are the way we are, why things have been the way they have been, and why the world is the way it is. And I cannot think of another place more perfect, beautiful, poetic, and inspiring than where I am now. So thank you very much for watching this, and cheerio.